Hi, I'm Seth Feinberg. We're here at SleaderCon with the one and only CPA extraordinaire, Adam Blitz. Adam, thanks for being on the couch.
Hey, thanks a lot for having me today.
So we're asking CPAs, such as yourself and others who are here, we really want to know, what are you struggling with the most at your firm?
Oh, struggles. There's always a struggle. Every day is a struggle, right?
Sure.
And so
If you were to put a head on it, though.
the biggest thing is twofold. Number one, it's clientele, getting new clients, driving new services to current clientele. I would say that that's the biggest thing. And then this, to complement that issue, you have the confidence factor. So, you know, as a small proprietor, as a small practice, you're constantly struggling with the idea of, am I good enough for this role? Do I have that experience? Can I do this? Am I going to make payroll the next week? Am I going to be able to pay my mortgage? And so when you're dealing with those factors, it's really difficult. It paralyzes you in everything else that you're doing.
You have a slightly newer firm.
Yeah, my practice is only about 8 months old, so you know, it's all about cash flow.
So it's right in your face.
It's right in the face. Monthly basis, I go home and talk to my wife and kids, and they're like, cash flow, and I'm like, whoa.
Good night, Daddy, cash flow.
That is honestly what happens. You know, my son has a funny expression. He's like, are you going to work? I'm like, yeah. He's like, are you gonna buy me some new pairs of shoes? I'm like, that's why I'm going to work.
That's it.
Right? So
get those shoes for you kids.
Gotta get those shoes, and that's what pushing me.
So how are you sort of overcoming it? Like, what do you?
Yeah. So
maybe you could even recommend other accountants to.
So I've developed a little bit of a strategy as to how I'm driving new clientele into my practice. And what I've found is that I like working with a specific type of person. And so when I found that person, when I found that industry, that's the industry that I'm running with, right? So restaurants, let's go. Or if it's outdoor adventure companies, let's go. If it's lawyers, let's go. And so when you can just find that one solution that works once, repeat it. Repeat it, repeat it, repeat it. Because let me tell you, the clientele out there, they don't need a customized solution. They don't. Like, maybe you know, you put a little touches on it, but they don't need a fully customized solution. The solution that you get from you know, Whole Foods works in Los Angeles, it works in New York. The solution that you get from Starbucks that works in Chicago also works in Houston. So the same thing applies to accountants. We have to find a solution that works and then replicate it to like-minded clientele base.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Thanks, Adam.
Perfect. Thanks for having me.